That's it, redlining and then exploding.
And this is Gavin.
Working on this butte today, 56 Chevy 150. Got a new fuel pump, got a new Speedo cable, and yeah, let's get to work. Alright, this is the 235 cubic inch straight 6. It's in a bunch of Chevys. Pretty basic, kind of a piece of crap, not gonna lie. Fuel pump, kind of works some of the time. Yeah, it's a 3-speed manual.
On the column?
On the column.
On the column.
Radiator's kind of a piece of crap. Everything on the engine's kind of a piece of crap, to be honest with you.
Sort of.
Kind of runs some of the time. So yeah, today we're replacing the fuel pump and the Speedo cable, which I already replaced once, but you know, broke again, so. The interior. It's no thrills, low options. I put in an aftermarket radio, which is great. Besides that, it has basically no options. It has a dome light. That's about it.
It did not have a cigarette lighter to come with. That is.
I also put that in there, yeah. Interior is actually pretty good. Door panels just need to be cleaned up. I already got a new seat cover for the front. Back seat's good. Just a little rust on the floor. Nothing to worry about. Got a new headliner to put in it soon. Future video. And yeah, besides that, that's about it.
Did any fuel come out?
No.
Okay. Guys, so I have the ultra fun task of getting the Speedo cable out of the transmission so we can replace it. Luckily, Lucas is going to put it back in, so it's going to be pretty boring just watching me sit here and turn this, so we'll probably cut it, but I'm just going to basically be undoing this and yanking her out. Man, this is hard with one hand. Damn, this is one long.
I don't think we're getting that cruising video.
Yeah, and there we go. Ooh. Yup. Alright, it's unhooked. She was got like 30 times easier than last time.
Yeah, last time we had to do some cutting.
Alright, well we got the fuel pump on, Speedo cable in, but we're on the gas. So, next video, we'll be cruising this thing. Yes, remember to like and subscribe, and tell your friends.